Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my VaeFae bamboo knife drawer organizer. The main reason I purchased this drawer organizer for my knives is for organizational purposes. I love organization and having everything in its right place, and I don't like visual clutter. I'd like to have as little things as possible on my countertop. I like a clear countertop, so this in-drawer organizer works perfectly for me. I love the bamboo because it's not only a natural aesthetic that it's adding to my kitchen, but it is also very durable material. This drawer organizer is not only able to hold up to 12 knives, but it also has a dedicated spot for the knife sharpener. This drawer organizer has transformed my chaotic knife drawer into an orderly and safe space where everything's easily accessible and neatly arranged. And that's my point of view.